I've been with my father-in-law who's 80 and he actually passed out on the tube today on the Bakerloo line. I think the tube. Buses get more fresh air, you get more air circulating. Tubes are horrendous, especially when you're under the ground. Yeah, the only line that's decent, everything else is horrendous. My daughter gets Piccadilly to work, that's horrendous. And, you know, us youngsters struggle, let alone the elderly.
We need to talk about these trains. The heat is killing off people, honestly. Like, the sweat, the heat, there's no air conditioning. Like, everyone is sweating on the trains.
It's like a sauna in every single bus, on every single train, on every single underground.
It's too much. It's too much. I was just telling my friend, the buses, if the windows were that much bigger, it would be a difference, you know. Oh, I wonder how they do it, honestly. Sometimes I see them with their shirts off, sweating. It's horrible. Like, I can only imagine because it's a closed box, you know. So, no, it's horrible.
It's way too hot. I'm actually getting an Uber home because of that. Funny thing is, I work on ACs, and they should really have better systems on the underground and buses for, you know, the drivers, the public. ACs is not a problem, probably a solution. And I know a lot of people talk about how it will affect like clean energy and stuff, but really and truly, ACs do help. Especially if you can't get to water, you can't stop off at a shop or go for a coffee in your break like people do. Bus drivers can't do that, so yeah, you gotta feel sorry for them, man.
Definitely know it must be hard when they're in such a compact space as well, and they don't have a lot of air circulation too, so it's a bit tough. I think there definitely needs to be more in place to deal with hot weather, especially with climate change, and there will be changes to come in the future as well. So there needs to be systems in place as much as we deal with the cold for the heat as well, because there's definitely a lot of risks that people face. I think aircon is a good thing to implement. I know there's also there could be negatives on the climate side with aircon too, but definitely one to explore. And I think that could affect, as a whole, it can affect like productivity and everything, just having cooler places to work and commute.